What's going on, you guys? Welcome to another video. As you guys can tell by the title and thumbnail of the video, we have something quite special for this car right here. So let's go ahead and get right into it. We've been running this car NA for quite a long time. I bought this car, when did I buy this car? Like 2 years ago or a year and a half ago. We went from full bolt, like not even full bolt-ons, but just a cold air intake, an exhaust, and a tune, to putting a cam in it. And that's exactly what the setup is now. And this car has been fantastic, runs great, especially for what it is. It doesn't even make over 500, and the thing rips. I think it is time that we go ahead and bump it up a little bit. And with that being said, I bought all of this. So as you can see, I bought an ECS kit. It is a 2200 HD. It's going to rip, hopefully. The pulley size that's on it right now is a 3.3. I thought it would be too small. I talked to ECS. I gave them a call because I wanted to be 100% sure. I want to ask you guys as well what you guys think. I asked them what this 3.3 pulley would like run, and he said it should be fine. I told him I only wanted to make like 10, 11, maybe 12 pounds of boost and make about 750 horsepower. And I do have this stock crank pulley like diameter. It is an aftermarket one. It's a power bond, but it's a stock diameter. And he said with that setup, stock diameter pulley with this setup should be right around 750. I already measured this. I taped it around, found the diameter of how big that is, because it doesn't say it on it, unfortunately. It is a 3.3. I did a little bit of research, and people usually who run like 11, 12 pounds of boost runs a 3.6 pulley. So that's what I thought I was gonna have to run, but I don't know if they had a 10% crank pulley. So just from what I've told you, on what you guys tell me how many pounds of boost I would be running with this setup right here. 3.3 pulley, 2200 HD. And another thing that's with this kit is that the oil feeds to the block, so it's not self-sustained. As you can see right there, there's a line that goes there. That one is for this one. This is the oil drain line, and this is the oil feed line, I'm pretty sure. And so this one goes into the oil pan, and then this one goes into the block itself. Basically all I have to do is change the oil in that car, and it changes the oil in this as well. So I don't have to get Pro Charger oil or anything like that for the self-sustain, because it's not. Next thing, we got injectors. We got D-Shorks 1000s. I'm going to have these flow tested by my good friend Michael. We should be linking up with him pretty soon so we can get these things rocking. They should be fine. I just want to get them tested to be 100% sure that they are good to go and ready for everything we're going to throw at it. Those are 1000cc injectors. Hopefully that's not too small for what I want, but I was told for 93 it should be fine, because the way I'm going to set this up is, if you can see these, this is the intake or the charge pipe. I have double nozzles for meth. So the previous owner who had this had it set up for double meth, and so I don't know if I'm going to run double meth or not. I think at 750 horsepower, I think that's where it starts to where it needs to have a double nozzle, but maybe I'll run single. That's another question for you guys. Should I run a single or should I run a double? I have all these questions. I'll probably ask my tuner too. And another thing too, it's going to be running on speed density and not a MAF right here. And that's the intercooler with the blow-off valve right there. We got the rest of the kit right there, all the bolts and stuff. And so basically we are good to go. The only thing that I don't have right here to show you is my fuel system. So that was another question I had for you guys as well. I'm not 100% sure how well like the stock pump can handle, but I did buy a booster pump, and I watched a couple YouTube videos where they ran the pretty much the same setup, not like 2200 or anything, but how many pounds of boost and how much power they made. This one guy had an LS3, and he pushed like 12 pounds of boost on a booster pump, stock pump, and he made 750. So that's exactly what I want. So that's what I got. I got a booster pump with a hot wire kit, and I'm gonna just wire that in, and hopefully we have enough fuel. I did want you guys' like opinion. Do you guys think like a booster pump is good enough, or should I run like an ECS stage 1 or stage 2, or even a A&A stage 1 or stage 2 fuel system? from what I've seen on YouTube and everything, it seemed like a boost to pump was good. And I'd be even happy with 700. So my max is like 800. I don't want to make any more than, I mean, I'd like to, but not with the stock block. If I can make somewhere around 700 to 750 with this setup right here, I think that's going to be my end goal. And I'll be pretty happy. So another thing I still have to buy as well is I have to buy a complete meth system for this. It unfortunately didn't come with the meth kit, so I'll probably have to go, this looks like it's from an all-key meth system, dual nozzle, so I'll probably just have to order one of those. It's only like 600 bucks. And then after that, we're good. Like, I have everything ready. Booster pump comes in tomorrow. Hot wire kit actually came in yesterday. We got the injectors, we got the whole kit right here, and we are pretty much ready to go to put this thing on. But I just wanted to make this video and show you guys future plans for the Corvette. I wanted to ask you guys the questions of, you know, how much horsepower do you think this thing will make as it sits right now? Also, should I upgrade the pulley or even downgrade to a 3.6? Let me know. I'm not that experienced with LS motors and this type of setup. If I should run a 3.6, please let me know. This is a 3.3. I told the guy, I called ECS and I was like, a 3.3 pulley should, from what I've seen, make like 900 to like 850 horsepower. That is not what I'm looking for. That is way too much for the stock block, I think. But I don't want to push it. I think I'll be happy with 700, 750. And I have this weird feeling that this is too small. So let me know what you guys think of the blower and the setup that I got for the Corvette. Please leave a comment down below if you guys are very knowledgeable about this stuff. And just basically like how would you set this up is basically what I'm asking. So that's basically the entire kit. We got the whole thing right there ready to go, and basically after we do that and we install it, all I'll need is a tune, and then we'll be rocking. So I'm trying to get this car ready for FL2K, and so my deadline is like October to have this like completely done. I should actually have this done within a month or two. I think I'm ready for some boosts. But that's going to wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, please comment down below what you guys think about the setup and everything about it, what you guys think it'll make, and just how you would set it up. I really want to know, especially the fuel system and all that stuff too. Please leave a comment. Really appreciate it. I will read every single comment. Give this video a thumbs up. And like always, guys, stay tuned. We got big things planned, ready for the car, and I hope you guys are excited as much as I am. So see you guys in the next one. Peace.